Well, immediately after Russia's media boasted that they could wipe out and nuke the east and west coast of the United States, something very troubling happened right here in the U.S. But for starters, let's go on over to the threat that was issued by Russia's media. Take a look at this article on the dailymail.com. Russian official threatens nuclear strike on the U.S. Wipe out both coasts with 4 Satan II missiles. It goes on, a Russia official threatened nuclear war against the U.S. for providing support to Ukraine, claiming that 4 of Russia's new intercontinental ballistic missiles could decimate both of America's coast. Quote, I will tell you absolutely competently that to destroy the east coast of the U.S., 2 Sarma missiles are needed, Alexei Zarmanvel, a member of Russia's parliament, told Russia state television. And the same goes for the West Coast, he added. 4 missiles and there will be nothing left. Now, the Russian parliament member is not the only one that has issued a warning to the American people. Take a look at this article that I found on metro.com. Putin issues a chilling threat over Sweden and Finland joining NATO. It goes on, Vladimir Putin has warned Russia will respond in kind if NATO sets up infrastructure in Sweden and Finland. This is a direct threat to the United States as well, because we are a member of NATO. But that's not all. There's yet another warning that has been issued. Take a look at this article on Reuters.com, and it's headlined, Russia's Medvedev warns the U.S. messing with the nuclear power is folly. The article states attempts to use courts or tribunals to investigate Russia's actions in Ukraine would, Medvedev said, be futile and risk devastation. Quote, the idea of punishing a country that has one of the largest nuclear potentials is absurd and potentially poses a threat to the existence of humanity. Medvedev, who now serves as deputy chairman of the Russian Security Council, said on Telegram. Bottom line, multiple Russian officials are threatening the United States with nuclear war. From their mainstream media to a Russian parliamentary member to the deputy chairman of Russia's Security Council to even Vladimir Putin himself. In fact, people here in the U.S. are obviously taking these threats serious, so much so that New York City has just issued a public service announcement. Take a look at this article on thehill.com. New York City officials unveil nuclear preparedness PSA, their public service announcement. It goes on, New York City's Emergency Management Department released a video on Monday explaining what residents should do in the event of a nuclear attack. Now, here's the actual video that was published on their website, and I want to hone in on a couple facts on this short clip. For starters, she opens up the video with saying there has been a nuclear attack. Then she states, don't ask me how or why, just know that the big one has hit. They then go on to talk about their 3-point plan. Number 1, get inside. Get inside fast, get into a building, and move away from windows. Number 2, stay inside. Shut all doors and windows, go to the middle of the building, get clean immediately, remove clothes and shower with soap or shampoo. And 3, stay tuned. Follow the media, sign up for notifications, and officials will send you wireless emergency alerts. And stay put. Now, to point out the obvious, there's a few things I believe are missing from that short clip, like what to do if you need medical attention. And also, how about the fact that you should probably seal your doors and windows so the radiation doesn't get in? Either way, this is causing some alarm for New York City, seeing that they have not put out a public service announcement about a nuclear attack since the 1960s. Is New York worried about some kind of nuclear attack? Are they just being precautious? Is it just a coincidence that this just so happened to air right after all the threats from Russia? Are they just being safe to be safe? Or is there really nothing to do or much ado about nothing? Well, ultimately, I'll let you decide. Anyhow, please don't forget to check out my partner at getthetea.com/Lisa. Right now, we have this amazing deal where you can get the bee pollen, which is really good for your immune system, in conjunction with the tea. You can do the bee pollen or the apple cider. They're your pick. But either way, right now, if you're looking to clean your digestive system out and help your immune system, this is absolutely an amazing combo. And as I've said before, I cannot live without this tea personally. But check it out at getthetea.com/Lisa. And don't forget to use the coupon code LISAJuly, and that will give you free shipping. Anyhow, thanks again for tuning in. I'm Lisa Haven, signing out.